one, fight! Round two, fight!
Who can? Look at this! If that Foley champ goes up, it matters to Square Garden. Look at this! If that Foley champ goes up, it matters to Square Garden. Oh no! 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 That killed me!
Oh my God!
As God is my witness, he is broken in half.
Oh my God!
Good God! Good God!
That's it, he's dead.
Will somebody stop the damn match? Enough's enough!
Sticking in the body of Ric Flair!
God is wrong! Enough thumbtacks!
Look at it! Oh no! Take this job as a human!
Well done. Final round, fight!
Another coat breaker.
Flawless victory.